When there's no money to buy medicines, there's no incentive to research treatments. Diseases are neglected. They may not make headlines in the evening news, but they affect over 1 billion people worldwide and disfigure and kill millions each year. This is the darkness. In some cases, treatments don't exist. Where they do, they're often expensive, long, painful, or highly toxic. And in some cases, brutal diagnostics are required. This is where our work begins. Conducting R&D without borders. DNDi is an independent and global non-profit initiative, founded in 2003 by key partners, mainly in affected countries. We connect organizations, dedicated researchers, and experts worldwide to bring the best science to the most neglected. We all want to make a real difference, working from A to Z by screening hundreds of thousands of molecules and testing the best of the batch. The drugs are then tested in healthy volunteers and patients to turn a molecule in a laboratory into a pill in a patient's hand. This process can take from 10 to 15 years. DNDi's job is to accelerate that process. We leverage the science and technology that the world has to offer, applying international standards of quality even in the most challenging remote conditions, while strengthening clinical research capacities. In less than a decade, we've delivered 6 new treatments for some of the killer diseases. These treatments are now beginning to improve the lives of millions of people. Here's an example. For more than half a century, patients with late-stage sleeping sickness were treated with a very toxic drug, a drug that killed 1 in 20 patients.
Oui, j'ai été soigné par les remèdes appelés Arsobal. Ça faisait très mal.
In 2009, DNDi and partners developed NECT, a shorter, safer treatment, now used for almost all late-stage patients.
Dès les premiers jours de cette injection, je n'avais pas senti mal jusqu'à présent. En tout cas, ça va.
These treatments were a major advancement, but this is still not enough. Major breakthroughs are still needed. DNDi and partners continue to connect to develop affordable, short-course, safe and effective treatments to fundamentally transform the way these diseases are managed, controlled or even eliminated. Everyone has a role to play, be it big or small. We need you to connect to ensure that R&D for neglected diseases delivers on its promise. One key goal, one pill. We need you to connect to fight neglect.